Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Dr. Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss F block element. So last lecture we are discuss introduction of F block elements. Okay, also discuss a position of F block elements. Then discuss electronic configuration of F block element and oxidation state. So today we are discuss oxidation state of 4F block element, atomic radii and ionic radii, and lastly we are discuss occurrence of lanthanide elements. Okay, so here in this table shows electronic configuration of lanthanide elements. Okay, so in this table outermost electronic configuration of lanthanide atoms. Okay, so in this table also shows some uncertainty about electronic configuration of lanthanides. Okay, so lanthanum has the electronic configuration here Xe xenon near to 4F0 5D1 6S2. Okay, so this is the configuration of lanthanum and its F orbitals contain 0 electron. So that's why this lanthanum is not a 4F element. Okay, so lanthanides series start from cerium to lutetium. Cerium, its atomic number 58 to lutetium 71. Okay, so cerium electrons are added successively in 4F orbital. So valence shell electronic configuration of lanthanides can be represented as 4F1 to 14 and 5D0 or 1 6S2. Okay, so only here lanthanum, gadolinium and lutetium possesses a single d electron. Lanthanum, gadolinium, lutetium possesses a single 5d electron. Other lanthanides do not have electron in 5 orbitals. Only in 4F and 6S orbitals containing electron. Okay, so this filling of F orbitals is not regular. Okay, why? Because they are not regular. The electronic configuration involves the moving of single 5d electron into 4F cell. Okay, so this does not takes place where the symmetry of half filled F cell is observed. Okay, so outermost possibility, out of this possibility none of the configuration is important. This is because of its forms ionic compound in trivalent state. Trivalent state, it means +3 oxidation state. So electronic configuration of trivalent lanthanum 3 plus ions are as shows here. Cerium 3 plus, its electronic configuration 4F1 6S0 and 5D0. It's trivalent trivalent atom, means plus 3 oxidation state, they lose S and D block element, sorry, S and D electrons, so remaining only in F. Okay, so cerium 3 plus, its electronic configuration 4F1, 5D0, 4 and 6S0. Similarly, second trivalent ion Pr, Pr praseodymium. This plus 3, its electronic configuration 4F2, 6S0, 5D0, means electron present in 4F orbitals 2. Okay, so similar other neodymium, promethium, etc. Okay, so the atoms or ions having empty, half filled or completely filled subcells are stable. Half filled, empty, half filled and completely filled. Empty means F0, half filled F7 and completely filled, it means F14 electrons. Okay, so cerium plus 3, it means F1 electrons remain, but cerium plus 4 in oxidation state, at that time they forms empty F orbital, means F0. Similarly, in gadolinium plus 3. Okay, so gadolinium plus 3, its F orbital containing 7 electron, it means it stable in half filled, 7 electrons in F orbital. And lastly, lutetium, in this plus 3 oxidation state present 14 electrons, F14 electrons, means this full filled orbital. Okay, so lanthanum containing F0, gadolinium F7 and lutetium present F14 electrons is more stable because of empty, half filled and completely filled orbitals. Okay, so the 4F electron cannot take part in chemical bonding. It means they not forms a covalent bond because of cells are protected from 5s and 5p electron. Okay, so 4F electrons do not take part in chemical bonding because they are protected from 5s and 5p electron. Okay, so there is difference in property F orbital and D orbital, means F block elements and D block elements, transition element of F and D properties are different, lanthanides and D block element. So there are variation in chemical property. One possesses through series of D block element. Okay, so stereochemistry and stability are different, D block element and F block element. Only similar properties such as spectral and magnetic property, because of these properties are depends on unpaired electrons. Okay, So this is the major difference of electronic configuration and d block element. Okay, here now we are discuss oxidation state of lanthanide element. Okay, so oxidation state, first of all, what is oxidation? Oxidation, lose of electron, and this lose of electron depends on ionization potential. Okay, so ionization potential is completely low in F block element, as a comparatively low, so the lanthanides elements are highly electropositive. Okay, so these lanthanides exhibit +2, +3 and +4 oxidations. Under suitable condition, it forms a 2 and 4 oxidation state. Generally, they forms a +2 and +3 oxidation state. Okay, so +2 and +4 oxidation states are not common. Oxidation state other than +3 is called a anomalous behavior of oxidation state of lanthanide. Okay, so +2 and +4 oxidation state are always less stable than +3 oxidation state. Okay, so these lanthanides +3 is most common state. Okay, but some elements lanthanum 2 plus and lanthanum 4 plus ions are those which possesses F0, F7 and F14 configuration corresponding to empty, half filled and fully filled F subcell. Okay, so these lanthanides exhibit different oxidation state like +2, +3 and +4. Among these, +3 is most stable oxidation state. Okay, so the elements that contain stable electronic configuration by losing 2 or 4 electron exhibit +2 and +4 oxidation state. Okay, so now here europium +2, if they lose 2 electron in outermost shell to form say F7, it is half filled. Stability depends on the half filled. Second, ytterbium 2 plus, it lose 2 electron in outermost shell but F orbital containing 14 electrons. It is completely filled. Okay, so ytterbium shows +2 and europium shows +2 oxidation state because of half filled and completely filled. Similarly, cerium 4 plus. Cerium 4 plus means 4 electron lose. Outermost shell containing 4 electron lose to becomes a F0 and it is empty for stability purpose. They +3 converts to +4. And next is the terbium terbium Tb 4 plus. Similarly, these terbium lose 4 electrons and becomes 14F because of completely filled. That's it is purpose of stability of F orbitals, empty, half filled or completely filled F subcell. Okay, so this is the oxidation state of lanthanum. Okay, so next one a more example of oxidation state of lanthanide elements. So first question, why cerium 2 plus, europium 2 plus and ytterbium 2 plus ions in solutions are good reducing agent, but in aqueous solution cerium plus 4 is a good oxidizing agent? Why? Cerium 2 plus, europium 2 plus, ytterbium 2 plus in solution it is a good reducing agent, but in aqueous solution cerium plus 4 is a good oxidizing agent. Why? Because of the most stable oxidation state of lanthanide 3 plus. Hence the ions plus 2 oxidation state tends to change plus 3 state by loss of one electron acting as a reducing agent. Okay, they lose one electron and act as reducing it because of stability. Plus 2 is not more stable, plus 3 is more stable than plus 2. Okay, so that's why they lose electron acting as a reducing agent. Samarium, europium, ytterbium. Okay, so europium plus 3 reduce sodium metal, magnesium metal, zinc metal and give a europium 2 plus, means it act as a reducing agent. Another example, cerium plus 4 is a good oxidizing agent because of, whereas those in plus 4 oxidation state tends to change to plus 3 oxidation state by gain of electron and it act as a oxidizing agent and they oxidize some alcohol. Alcohol converts to aldehyde, oxidize alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, etc. So plus 4 cerium it is a good oxidizing agent. Some cerium cerium oxide, cerium nitrate, can CaN, cerium ammonium nitrate, it used as a oxidizing agent in some chemical transformation reaction. Okay, now we are discuss a stability of samarium 2 plus and thulium 2 plus, promethium 4 plus and neodymium 4 plus. Okay, so samarium 2 plus and thulium 3 plus 2 plus gives m2 plus species having 6f and 13f configuration, but not they forms m plus having f7 and f14 electron. Okay, because of stability purpose. Cerium 2 plus samarium 2 plus and thulium 2 plus cannot forms a m plus having f7 and f14 electronic configuration, even though these f7 and 14 electronic configuration is half filled and completely full electron configuration, but they are stable in plus 2, means f6 and f13 electronic configuration. Similarly promethium and neodymium. Okay, so promethium 4 plus and neodymium 4 plus gives f1 and f2 electronic configuration, but not m6, means but not plus 6 oxidation state. Even they complete empty. This is the stable, but they stable in +4 oxidation state, even containing F1 and F2 electronic configuration. Why this stability present? Samarium 2 plus, thulium 2 plus, promethium 4 plus, and neodymium 4 plus. Because states are unstable and get +3. The idea of closeness F0, F7, F14 electron is doubtful. In this case, samarium, thulium, promethium, and neodymium 4 plus. Okay, so this stable because of closeness configuration may be one of the factors deciding oxidation state, but thermodynamics and kinetic stability also important for these element stability purpose. Okay, so not always closeness of empty, half filled and full filled configuration by stability. Okay, also affect a thermodynamics and kinetic stability. Okay, so samarium, thulium, promethium and neodymium stable, it's +2 and +4 oxidation state because of thermodynamics and kinetic stability. So now occurrence of lanthanide elements. So the most important source of lanthanides is monazite mineral. Okay, so this monazite have heavy dark sand found in Brazil, India, Australia, South Africa and USA, United States Kingdom. Okay, so these states lanthanides or monazites are found. Okay, so next is the composition of monazites varies depending on the location, but it generally contain 50% of lanthanides compounds by weight. Okay, so because of similarity of their properties and their occurrence together in nature, so lanthanides can be separated from each other and purify only with considerable efforts, and that's why they commercially production of the lanthanide tend to be expensive. Okay, so this is the occurrence of lanthanide elements. These most important source lanthanides is monazite, and monazite a mineral that constitute a major source of lanthanide. So next lecture we are discuss a separation method of lanthanides, separation of lanthanide ion exchange method, chromatography methods and lanthanide contraction, then application. Now we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.